XX ತೊಂತೀನಿ.
XX ಅಲ್ಲದು ಎಕ್ಸಸ್.
ಹಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇದ್ರಂಗ ಹೊಸ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ ಹಳೇದು ಒಂದು ಐತಿ.
Okay, students, can you see the PowerPoint slide? Okay.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
yeah. Okay, see, first I think better I'll take attendance first, huh? Then I'll continue with the calculation of cost of debt. Okay, please stay unmuted so that you can answer the attendance call quickly.
ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಇದ್ದಿನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ.
Vijit,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಯ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸ.
Yes sir.
Abhishek,
Present sir.
Alain,
Present, sir.
Amrut,
Present sir.
Anagha,
Present, sir.
Anusha Kautekar,
Present, sir.
Anusha Achari,
Present, sir.
Anushri,
Present, sir.
Ashwini. Ashwini is absent. Asra. She was in the previous class. Asra is present. Okay. Swati.
Present, sir.
Balappa.
Present sir.
Bharti. Bharti is not there in the class. Okay. Chinmay. Chinmay. Not in the class. Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Dodda Basaya.
Present ma'am.
Ganesh. Ganesh. Ganesh is not in the class today. Yeah. Purna, I made to reach your name. 18. Iranna.
Yes sir.
Shrikant.
Sir, Bharti present, sir.
Bharti present. Okay. Then Shrikant. Absent. Karthik.
Present sir.
Lakshmikant.
Yes sir.
Manjula.
Yes, sir.
Manjunath.
Present sir.
Muttava.
Present, sir.
Nagamegha.
Present, sir.
Nagraj. Nagraj is absent. Nagashri.
Present, sir.
Yes. Sakshi. Yeah, Sakshi is present. Then Pawan. Pawan is absent. Okay. Pavitra.
Sir, she is present, sir. Network problem, sir.
Pavitra is present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then Pooja Ballari.
Yes, sir.
Pooja Jian.
Present, sir.
Pooja Kadam.
Present, sir.
Purna is present. Okay. Then Pradnya.
Present, sir.
Yesterday you are present or absent? Pradnya.
Present, sir.
Yesterday.
Present, sir. Yesterday.
Okay. Thank you.
Day before yesterday, absent, sir.
Sorry.
Day before yesterday, absent, sir.
Okay. Okay. Praveen.
Present sir.
Okay. Then Puneet.
Present sir.
Rakesh.
Yes sir.
Ruchita. Ruchita. Absent. Keshav. Keshav. Absent. Then Sahana.
Yes, sir.
Samiksha.
Present, sir.
How about yesterday?
I was present, sir.
Yesterday also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Sankalp.
Present sir.
Sanket Kumar. Sanket Kumar is absent. Shilpa MN,
Present, sir.
Shilpa Ganji,
Present, sir.
Shiva Kumar.
Sir is present.
Thank you. Shruti,
Present, sir.
Saurabh,
Present, sir.
Srujana,
Yes, sir.
Suman,
Present, sir.
Sumuk,
Yes, sir.
Sushmita,
Yes, sir.
Swati Pola,
Present, sir.
Tabassum.
Yes, sir.
How about yesterday?
I was present, sir.
Okay. Uday Kumar. Uday Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Present. Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Yes. Vaishnavi.
Present, sir.
Varsha.
Present, sir.
Vedesh.
Present, sir.
Okay. Nishad. No. I know.
Sir.
Oh, skipped. 1 minute.
Sir, Ashwini present, sir.
1 minute. I will mark.
Sir, Shrikant also present, sir. Jay Shrikant, sir.
1 minute. Ashwini is present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Jay
Nagaraj is
Shrikant,
present,
sir.
sir.
Nagaraj is present. Okay. Nagaraj is 3 times present. Okay.
Sir, Karthik, sir.
Karthik is marked present. Okay. So Ashwini and Nagaraj are marked present. Purna is present.
Sir, Shrikant, sir.
Shrikant. Shrikant. Yes, Shrikant is also marked present. Anybody else?
Sir, Shiva Kumar, sir.
Shiva Kumar, you answered the attendance call, right?
Sir, but there was network problem, sir. So
No problem.
I
You are
confirmed it.
audible. You are marked present. Dodda Basaya is marked present. No? He was there in the class.
Sir, Manjunath, sir.
Manjunath is also marked present. And then Manjunath, yes. You are all are marked present. Manjunath, Dodda Basaya. Okay. So now in the remaining time, let's understand how to compute cost of debt. Okay. Yeah. Students, I hope we can see the PowerPoint slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. See take a look at the last sentence. Last sentence in the slide. The debt can be either perpetual or irredeemable. Okay. So perpetual means irredeemable. The debt can be, you leave it perpetual. The debt can be either irredeemable or redeemable. Can any one student, commerce student, can quickly explain what is the meaning of the debt can be irredeemable or redeemable? Anyone quickly? Yes. Anyone? The debt can be either irredeemable or redeemable. No? Okay, see, as I mentioned, if a company is planning to raise capital through issue of debentures. Okay, so I gave a simple example, let us say 100 rupee debenture. So if I purchase one debenture of the company, it means I am lending 100 rupees to the company. I am giving a loan of 100 rupees to the company. Now, this kind of debt, okay, this kind of debt, what I'm talking in the form of debentures, the principal amount may be redeemable, means at the end of the period. Let's say if I say 100 rupee debenture at 10% interest 10 years, it means each year I will get 10% interest on 100 rupees. And at the end of 10th year, I will also get my principal amount back, which I have lent. So that is a redeemable debentures where the principal amount is paid back to the person from whom we have taken the loan. Irredeemable means, okay, the company need not repay, okay, the principal amount back to the investor.
Irrecoverable amount, sir.
Irrecoverable. Irrecoverable is different, huh? Bad debts are irrecoverable. That is different. Okay. So irredeemable means, say I purchase the debenture for 100 rupees from a company and it is written irredeemable, means every year I will get 10% interest on 100 rupees. But my 100 rupee company will not return. Okay, unless and until the company is liquidated. Okay, so that is called perpetual. So irredeemable. Okay, but why somebody would purchase such a debenture? Tell me. If you, I will give you two options. Okay, so company will issue usually both redeemable debentures as well as irredeemable debentures. Say if I purchase redeemable debentures for 10 years, let us say 100 rupee I give loan to company, 10% interest every year I receive for 10 years, each year, 10 rupee first year, 10 rupee second year, like that. And in 10th year, I will get my 100 rupee also back. Now, why somebody would purchase a debenture? Okay, let us say where you purchase an irredeemable debenture of 100 rupees, 10% interest. Year will not be there. It is perpetual. Okay. So why somebody would purchase irredeemable debentures? 100 rupee debenture where you will not get your amount 100 rupee back, but you will get interest. I am not mentioning the rate of interest here. What may be the motivation for the investor to buy irredeemable debentures? Okay, see, this is, yes?
Sir,
Yeah,
the interest must be more than the.
Definitely, Sakshi. Okay, very good, Sakshi. The interest rate on irredeemable debentures will be always higher than the interest rate paid on redeemable debentures. Okay, so this is common sense. You should know this. Then the debt carries certain rate of interest. Definitely, we understand that. The coupon interest rate on debt represents the approximate cost of debt. So 10% in loan, interest on loan means 10% is the cost of debt. Okay, but this coupon rate of interest on debt is the before tax cost of debt. Remember, okay, in our estimation of cash inflows after taxes. Okay, so what we did, we deducted taxes first. Okay, so if there is interest, okay, remember in the last problem which I solved, okay, Naveen Enterprises, we only estimated cash flows after taxes. So what happens there? Okay, there was company had raised 50 million rupees in the form of debt, and there was certain 15% interest on debt was there. So what we did, we deducted interest before we charged tax. So this coupon rate of interest on debt is the before tax cost of debt. Since the effective cost of debt is the tax adjusted rate of interest, the before tax cost of debt should be adjusted for the tax effect. So where we deducted the interest on debt, okay, and then we calculated the taxes, remember. So for that reason, we need to make the adjustment. Okay, you will understand how to make that adjustment while calculating a numerical problem. And the bonds and debentures, bond is also similar to debenture. Okay, the bonds and debentures can be issued at par, discount, and premium. Par means at the face value, 100 rupee debenture sold at 100 rupees. Okay, so discount means 100 rupee debentures sold at 95 rupees or 90 rupees. Generally, a new company, which is the first time company, to attract the investors, they may sell the debentures or bonds at a discount. And say a company is very popular and very strong in the market. Okay, it's financially very strong, reputed. Such a company, when they want to raise additional capital through debentures, they can charge a premium on the debentures. Like 100 rupee debentures will be sold at 110 rupees. Okay, but all the calculations will be made for 100 rupees. Okay, interest is calculated only on 100 rupees, whether it is par, issued at par, discount, or premium. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept here. So tomorrow's class, yes, okay. So we will learn how to compute cost of debt, perpetual debt, and then how to compute cost of redeemable debt. Okay, so if you have any questions, note down and ask me in the tomorrow's class in the beginning. So is that okay for today? Or you want me to solve?
Yes,
still we have time. About 3 to 4 time we have. So is it okay for today? Yeah. So that there should be continuity. Tomorrow, once I start the computation of specific costs. Okay. Please read the given materials properly to understand. Okay. And all the classes I have recorded and shared through Google Classroom. So if the voice is not clear during the live class due to poor internet connectivity at your end, okay, you can always watch the recorded videos. Okay then. So happy meal hour, happy lunch hour for all of you. See you tomorrow again.
Thank you.